Welcome back. So today this is XMG lost link from PeerCoin. So we are almost there. We will just have to also check what are the differences between PeerCoin and Bitcoin. Hopefully it's better done than everything else, but I'm not sure. Yeah, so that's it. So let's see. Yeah, so now we have to find out which are the best commits here to work from. So let me see. So what you want to do is to find out the first commit from Novacoin. Okay, and so we can work with PeerCoin, which we know that Bitcoin Master branch on PeerCoin goes back to Novacoin, and here it is. So this is some files removal, and then this is the PeerCoin 0.2.2. so this is from 2012. Okay, this is quite old, but that's what it is. So my approach to this is that these three commits here, it's what makes Novacoin special. So if you take a look at one of these commits, you have some additions, but with this one here you also have some additions, but they are mixed. So you have the changes about changing the name coin, the coin name, and you also have some other changes related to main.cpp, you know, these values here and there. So these three commits needs to be found in the same commit. So that means that the first initial commit from Novacoin, it's this one here. Okay, this one just after, wait, not here, is this the right thing? Is this one? No, it's this one. So this is just after doing it. So this is the first commit. So I might have done it not properly in the other place, but let me see if this is okay or not. So it's this one here. We will figure out later if there was something missing, because we will check if everything is on the right place when we put all of the stuff together. Okay. Because we choose that this one was the first commit, but I don't think so. This one is too new. Added Genesis block. Yeah, well, anyway, it's okay, I guess. Okay, so the first useful commit, it's gonna be this one, because it's what you've got as Novacoin changes. Then everything else is minimal changes that you do here. Okay, and this is from February, so this is 2013, 2nd of February 10. Okay, and so the question is, which is the first the place where you want to fork? So this is PeerCoin fork commit, should be, and it should be this other commit here, this one here. That's it. And this is from 2012, November. Okay, so Yeah, so we have these two commits here, which are from the same repo and so on. So let me see what's needed to be done here, because we have this Nova coin, but we also had this Bitham. This Bitham version does not have this Bitham version of PeerCoin, which is local, does not have our older repos, so it's kind of we want to move this into Magic Coin discarded, because there's no way that this is gonna be useful. Okay, let's move into archive, because I'm not sure about that. So now we have this Nova coin stuff. So we have this PeerCoin Nova coin, which I'm going to move down. And so what you want to do with this PeerCoin Nova coin is you want to create a new PeerCoin Nova coin work directory, and you want to move their PeerCoin Nova coin here, because this is the destination. Okay, and this needs to be here on the right. Let me see. Yeah, PeerCoin Nova coin and PeerCoin Nova coin. Nice. So and on the left, what you want here is the same thing, but it's going to be called PeerCoin. I mean, PeerCoin. Yeah, it's a bit stupid, but that's what we have here. Oh, wait a moment. Yeah, that's not what I wanted to do. So let's name this as PeerCoin. Now let's do some stupid stuff like PeerCoin 2, and now we can move this PeerCoin here, and we can remove this empty 2. Okay, so now we have PeerCoin, which is a copy of Nova coin. Nova coin is here on the work directory, and so let's focus on what we need to do here. So the first thing is we have to find the first useful commit from Nova coin, which is this one here. Okay, so we want this to be the -b space. That's right. So we want this here, and this should be, yeah, this was wrong, so this should be a fork from PeerCoin to Nova coin. That's right. So we have it here ready. It's here it's ready here. Okay, and then PeerCoin yeah, let's see what more do we have around here. Yeah, okay, so now we want something here, which is we want, let me check it. PeerCoin, so this is the commit, which is the place, wait a minute, useful first commit. link from yeah, I'm not doing this right. So Nova Coin should not be here because this is the future, so I'm not doing this right. Yeah, let's go back to master. Let's remove this branch here because otherwise this is confusing. Let's remove it anyway. Nice. Yeah, so what we want is to have PeerCoin Nova Coin down here, and we want PeerCoin here. Now PeerCoin, which we have not done anything, we want to do the same check, same branch here, PeerCoin Nova Coin. Yeah, because we go from PeerCoin to Nova Coin. Here we want to go into Nova Coin, and Nova Coin should have another commit, which is useful first commit. So going to use Nova Coin because otherwise we are not going to know. So this is going to be Nova Coin useful first commit, because as there are so many stuff here. So is this the right one? DC00. I'm not sure about that. No, PeerCoin. Yeah, and PeerCoin fork commit. Wait a minute, this is not right. PeerCoin. Yeah, this is not right. Let's go back. This is going to be you are not going to understand anything here, isn't it? So let's remove this branch once again. Let's create it but using the right commit. This kind of stuff doesn't happen when you have different repos, because okay, so PeerCoin fork should be here. Okay, here you are. Now we should be ready for comparing stuff. So if I mail here, I can compare this with PeerCoin Nova Coin, which with its useful first commit or whatever. Okay, let's see what we have here. So we have Nova Coin, we have Bitcoin, and apparently, yeah, apparently this is the first time that we have all of these images, so that they can be used somewhere, probably in Qt. Yeah, so that's interesting. We also have these script files. So Nova Coin uses a script to mine. Not sure if this is mining. Yeah, so I think that PeerCoin is pure proof of stake, and Nova Coin adds mining. So this is useful because we could think about CoinMachi, because CoinMachi has both of them, so we can learn from here. Okay, so let me check. Let me start working on all of this. So what we want to work on first is adding all of these files. So the first one you want to do is this icon PNG, so that it becomes NovaCoin icon novacoin.png. But I'll be back in 5 minutes. Okay, so let's see. So what we have seen here is that the first thing we want to do is yeah, Nova coin. We want to rename Bitcoin ICO. So this is here, Bitcoin ICO. This needs to be renamed as novacoin.ico. Let me see if this is the right capital letter stuff. Yeah. Okay, so novacoin, and this should be PNG. Yeah, probably these new images, which are 128 and so on, are from Bitcoin itself. So that you know, or from Litecoin, because the script is from Litecoin. So this is probably some stuff from Litecoin. So this should be replace images, and this is rename files, and now we are forking from PeerCoin to NovaCoin. So this is fork Nova. Remove, replace, yeah, that's right. Now we should be able to refresh this, and what the hell is this? Yeah, can copy these two files here. Yeah, so now we can add these two files, and this should be an update images. That's right. And this is fork Nova. Nice. What more do we have here to do? So we can add all of these images here to the right, because there are not anything more. Or maybe we can work with, yeah, we should just add them. That's right. Yeah, there are some images that are modified, but so yeah, fork Nova. So this is new NovaCoin images. Oh my god. Yeah, and the other one is down here, Splash 2. So yeah, so this should be something like update images too. Nice. Now we should be able to find everything that has been changed. Yeah, so I'm going to copy everything but some files that I think should not be quite relevant for this, because I want to check what the hell the name was changed here. Okay, Bitcoin Brew, Bitcoin QTC sourcing. Okay, let's copy this to the right. Okay, this is not needed yet. This is neither not needed. Checkpoints, probably checkpoints. Yeah, well, checkpoints. Is this the only change? Yes, in that case we don't want this to be here. db init irc, let's copy them. Let's not copy main files or kernel ones. Oh, wait a minute, look at that. What the hell is kernel? Wait a minute, I have kernel has disappeared and I have not seen it. So these are new files, so we don't care about them yet. But now I am confused where the hell kernel disappeared. Let me check real quick up here if we have anything of this. 1 second. Let's move this out of the way. And yeah. Okay, so sorry about that. So here we have yeah, we have PeerCoin. Does PeerCoin have kernel.cpp? No, it does not have it. What about NovaCoin just after being done? Does it have kernel.cpp? No, it does not. Well, that's interesting. That is interesting. So kernel.cpp is being removed somewhere over here. Let me see. We should have. So this is Bithem. We should have something related to Bithem master to. Yeah. Okay. So Bithem initial release. We should have kernel.cpp here, isn't it? Why not? Okay, so kernel.cpp is here. And according to Blaine, 10 years ago, according to add kernel files, is this the comment that we are looking for? PeerCoin developers. What the hell? Look at that. These are kernel files. Copyright is PeerCoin developer. February 19. Wait a minute. Have I February 9th? So this is NovaCoin. Okay. So this is okay, so we are back. So apparently these @kernel files are from NovaCoin, because this is after NovaCoin. So this is something from NovaCoin, and yeah, that's interesting. And I think this commits that it's the same thing twice. You take a look here, you've got these two files, and here it's exactly the same commit. Well, it's not the same commit, but yeah, so we have the two files here, which is kernel.cpp and kernel.h. So this is something from NovaCoin, which probably wants to do something staking. What the hell is this? Yeah, look at that. It's compute next stake. So this is a way of moving staking stuff to here, probably. Not sure about that. And you can also see how PeerCoin kernel and so on is used. Yeah. Let me see. What would you put staking stuff into kernel.cpp and kernel.h if PeerCoin was already stake? That's interesting. And here I guess that yeah, we change NovaCoin Qt Pro, and okay, look at that. It yeah, this is moved up, and yeah, we can see how they use a script, and that's it. And probably newer commit it will use the kernel files, because otherwise it's not fun to use them, to add them. Why would you add them if you don't use them? That's the big question. So probably main.cpp is modified later in order to use. So restore Windows dependencies with something. Set new version. So I am asking myself if kernel.cpp, and yeah, I'm asking myself if kernel.cpp is actually used somewhere. That's a good question. So let me write down here for history. So for history, no. Kernel.cpp and kernel were introduced here, but I'm not sure where they are actually used. Okay, so let me see. Yeah, let's go back to this stuff. Yeah, I was checking that kernel.cpp was not there, and so I have copied some files so that we can do our first approach for this change of names. So this should be let's add everything here, but then let's manage. Okay, look at that. Here there is some stupid changes, like here you lose this file being acceptable. You cannot run this anymore here. So these are some changes that should not happen in the first place. What the hell is this? So this is convert. Oh my god. What the hell is this? Yeah, so here it oh, look at that. So apparently originally you could make the Windows icon thanks to a file. Probably you can have this. Yeah, so this is the original PNG, which is a big one, and then you just resize it so that it's smaller. So this is not needed. Oh my god. Related files are not needed in the original Bitcoin PeerCoin. There is a script to convert the original PNG to several versions. That's why sometimes they are added, sometimes they are not added. So this is nice to know. Okay, PeerCoin project. Yeah, let's add this change, even if it's not exactly. Yeah. Okay, what about this? Yes, this is exactly the same thing here. Bitcoin QT, number coin QT, and so on. Yeah. Let me see. We don't want this. I mean, yes, we want this. This is not exactly the same thing, although. Wait a minute. Yeah. Well, look at this. There's a Bitcoin link which is not created now. So that means start menu group. So that means that by default Bitcoin, it starts when the machine boots. However, here they took the decision to say we are not going to start when the machine boots, and it's done here. This should be done in 2 steps, and it's done in only 1 step, mixing 2 stuff. Yeah, okay. Delete this thing here. Wait, I did not want this, so I should be able to go to whatever we were doing. What the hell is this? You're telling me that I have forget about this. Yeah, I'm sure I might need to go back. So I don't want this one. Yeah, I want to remove. Yeah. Maybe what we can do is hit diff and then fix there. Okay, what about split in here? This is the same thing. These are ports. Look at that, 777. This seems a lot like the lucky coin stuff, because there are 7s here. You were lucky if you found out 7 7s or something like that. It's the same thing that uses Bitcoin with so many zeros. Okay, default 1 is default 0. That's interesting. So originally, didn't see it. Originally, PeerCoin does not search using DNS lookup, but with something else. And now they change it so that you use DNS. So yeah, I'm not sure what to do with that. I mean, you could choose one thing or the other one. So PeerCoin, another coin. Okay. So here we can say fork history. Kinesis option by default should be 1. So this use by default for searching peers. Yeah, this is something that one would need to do to understand. Okay, so this one here, yeah, this should be the same thing. Not this thing. This is actually the same thing, I guess. Are we using IRC to connect to other people or not? Randomly join. So this is Bitcoin, and now this is Novacoin. Yeah, so PeerCoin could have problems while connecting to this stuff. That's interesting. What about this? Maybe we can split this so that this is used properly. Not this one. Not this one. I want this one. Yeah. Let's split this. This is something that unfortunately is difficult to split. This is again the same thing about using IRC or not to connect to other peers. See it? Okay, look at that. PeerCoin enables DNS sitting with testnet 2. If true. Yeah, and okay, well, yeah, this is change. Okay, a port here. Here we have a lot of stuff that yeah, and here there is a split also. What about this is not good enough. Not. What the hell is this? Oh, look at this protocol.h. I do not remember these lines here. I know the port changed, but such a way. protocol.h. So maybe protocol.h ports have not been changed in many times. Okay, this is not exactly what we are looking for. Not this thing here. Look at that. A lot of locale is being removed because that way is easier to focus on something. Not sure. Set window title. Yeah. Send bitcoins to notepad. Yeah. Okay. This one here. This one here. This one here. Not this one. What about this? This is the ticker. We don't care about the ticker right now. About Bitcoin, about NovaCoin. That's where when PeerCoin did not know how to replace everything back in the day. Yeah, this is new address. New address. This is the same thing, I guess. If you encrypt your wallet. Oh my god, look at that. This is very nice. If you encrypt your wallet and lose your passphrase, you will lose all of your Bitcoin. That's so true. Okay, Bitcoin encryption, something, yeah. Bitcoin NovaCoin, Bitcoin NovaCoin, Bitcoin NovaCoin. Yeah, that's right, I guess. Not this one. Not this one. Wait. The other one I wanted to have here. So maybe 22. Not sure if I have managed to do this properly, because sometimes I do not understand how to do this properly. Okay, let me see. Yeah, look at that. This is some translation. I'm not sure if I want to translate this, because this is quite similar to the ticker, so probably you don't want to translate that. Yeah, I guess something. It's the Russian ones. Lose all of the stuff. Yeah, wait a minute. Here there is some things different. Are you sure? Show high Nova. Yeah, this is different, isn't it? Unless, so Bitcoin is turning to NovaCoin, and then something else has been added here, which we don't want to have right now. Show information about Bitcoin. Okay, and these are the three are the same thing. And finished translation. Yeah, these are translations into Russian. It's interesting. What about this? Yes, that's it. Another unfinished. The entered address, something. Yeah. Okay. I guess that's right also. Okay, let's not add this. This is new stuff. Okay, let me see. wallet overview. Look at that. Look at that. This is new. I'm not sure. I think. Where the hell is this fork history? Probably NovaCoin introduced this thing here. But I'm not sure about that. Okay, so we don't want to save this. This is another translation. This one has NovaCoin. Yeah. Yeah. NovaCoin, Bitcoin, and so on. Not this thing here. Here you have PeerCoin instead of NovaCoin. That's nice. PeerCoin. Please check. Not this thing, not this thing, not this thing. Okay. So now maybe we just want to remove whatever is wrong here, because maybe we have added something that is wrong. So let's take a look and see if there's something that, yeah, here it is. So db.h. So this should be db.h, and then we add it again so that we can add that's it. Okay, nice, I guess. So let me see if we can find anything that should not be here because of whatever reason it is. What about this? Yeah, this is not right, or is it okay? Yeah, let's say that this is okay to be there. Yeah. Let's check all of this stuff. Yeah, okay. Okay, so we are done. So this is replace coin name. So we should have this thing here, and now we are forking into Nova. So this is fork Nova. Okay, we're going to check quite quick if there's something obvious about having to replace some text around here. Otherwise we're going to continue to make the comments here. Okay. Let me see. Yeah, so let's work on the rest of it, I guess. Let's save everything here that it's needed. Create multi-resolution Windows icon. Wait a minute. Icon destination. Bitcoin icon. What the hell is this? So I can understand that you can compare this to smaller sizes, which you no longer do, because why would you? And then if you take three different okay, so you can, so an icon file, I guess that you can put several sizes into the same one. So yeah, okay, I mean, not sure if this is used at all. Yeah, so this is an update, and as I say, I'm not sure if this is used at all. Okay, what more do we have around here? Share setup.nsi. So this is Windows do not start Bitcoin program by default. Then you change the name here. I don't care about that change. Interesting changes. Okay, there's this copyright thing. Do we have something more about this, developers? It's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, something, something, something. So we probably want to add this lines of copyright and make a commit about it, because why not? So let me check if there's a way of skipping all of the hunks of okay. Do not stage this hunk or any of the later hunks in the file. So yeah, so that's what I want to do. So once I find this, I want to switch to the next file, because I know that I'm not going to find anything else. You know what I mean? Well, okay, no, this is not the right dates, but anyway, this one, this one, this one here. So they were quite good with this stuff, Russian guys. Let's see. So db.h, init.cpp, net.cpp. Yeah, I mean, many places they were adding their own copyright. So this is at Nova Coin developers copyright message. This is something that you don't want to keep while doing some of this stuff. Okay, so now we have the ports. that we can work on. So we can add this port here, and now we should be able to div this again and search for ports, or for ports, maybe to the other one, or to the other side. Okay, so apparently there are not so many changes of ports. That's yeah, that's interesting. So hello, someone is here watching, maybe, we are not sure. In any case, let's go. So right now we have the port, yeah. So there's nothing more, unless I am missing adding some files here. Probably that's it. Probably I'm missing adding some files here. So let's add all of the files that are missing, not the newest ones, not these ones here, but the newest ones that probably have something about the port, not the one here, but you know. Okay, so now we should be able to find some ports, if I'm not mistaken. What about port like that? What about doing a manual search? Shouldn't we have some ports? Okay, so probably these ports are being changed. Yeah, probably these ports have been changed in another place. Okay, well, so port, so this is change port, and this is fork into Nova. Okay, so base 58 should be only, yeah, okay. We have another copyright here, which we don't want to have. So I want this one here, and copyright. This is the second one. Nice. And now I should have this only thing, which is what we do here is that we change pub key address. This is changed for Nova coin, and thus this should be Nova coin. No, fork Nova, that's the way we do it. Fork Nova. Okay, right, that's right. What more do we have here? There's something about the checkpoints, which is okay. Checkpoint. Look at that. There's some PeerCoin address. There are some files, some additional files. Nova coin developers. Bitcoin coin developers. Let's see. So this is Bitcoin RPC checkpoints and main.c.h. Yeah. Bitcoin RPC. Maybe this one, maybe this one. I am not sure. We should see one here, two here, yeah, main.h is right, but main.cpp is not the one that has this Nova coin developers. Let me check. What the hell is this? Checkpoints.h. Check. Yeah, that's it. So now we have one. Oh my god. Two. And the third one is somewhere here. Min. Well, I don't care. I think there are these 3 files. So let's search for this thing here. So it's drop. So yeah, and now you can drop. Okay. So we have the 3 copyrights. So now we should be able to put this to the same place. Now we should have, I mean, there are a lot of stuff related to changing one thing to another, probably from this is probably from copying new files. So what we probably want to do is to use these new files, which are something like these ones here. So I'm not sure about them. Yeah, let's do these files just for a coin replacement. So not this one. This one we want. Yeah, I think so. Look at that. This is okay. Nice. Okay. Not this one. Not this one. This is a good one. Here there is some change here. Oh, there was. Wait a minute. Can we go back to 7 or something? Not this one. And here we can split. Okay. And this is right, isn't it? Batonis. I need to write into a spreadsheet these timestamps and so on. Look at that. What the hell is this? So this is NovaCoin, isn't it? Because we are going from PeerCoin to NovaCoin. They have a message here on the this thing here. FRC moved to Dayan as meaning stopped. FRC. What the hell is this? Is this list of all crypto coins? Okay. RUC reborn. So there was an FRC coin, which I'm not sure what the hell is that. And yeah, and apparently it died, and he was nice enough to put it on the Genesis. Maybe they were enemies. Okay, there's the Merkle root here. What about, yeah, okay, this is not exactly the same message. This is nothing to do with, let's split, not this. Okay, so let's see what more do we have here. Not this thing here. about this split. Crypto PP. Okay. Here you have how it's no longer using crypto PP, which probably is chat 256, although I'm not sure. But this is using a script, which is what Litecoin uses. So this is interesting because you can see how this is changed. So let me write this down. So PeerCoin to Nova Coin change. Is no longer used, and this one is used instead. Okay, not sure which file this is, but this is not what we are looking for. Scriptmine.h. Yeah, look at that. This is we asked ourselves what the hell scriptmine.h came from. So it comes from NovaCoin. So NovaCoin introduces scriptmine.h if Magic Coin does not use script algorithm. Not sure about that, but this statement, then it should not have script mine on it. Yeah, okay. This is full of stuff that should not be there. That's interesting. Okay, yeah, we don't want anything of this. We only want what we have search here. So now let me see. Oh, look at that, price is going up. Not sure why. Probably something related to this stupid thing, which is SP100. Yeah, it's related to SP100. You thought that it was something useful, but it's not. Well, okay. Why not? Okay, so now let's continue. So I was checking this stuff here. Let me see what more do we have here. Yeah, okay, so this is coin name, and probably what you want now is number 2 here. We can check if there's something else where some of these changes are obvious, but other than this we should be good with all of this, if I'm not mistaken. Yeah, okay. So yeah, 1 second please. Okay, so let's check whatever. So Bitcoin RPC. Oh, look at that. Proof of work limit. Yeah, because Nova coin was this kind of hybrid coin that started with proof of work in order to so that there's a fair release, then they switch back to proof of stake. Yeah, so I'm not sure if this is useful at all. So this is doubt. This is a specific, I guess, and this is SRC Bitcoin proof work limit. Yeah, okay. What more do we have here? We have the checkpoints. So checkpoints, there was also a checkpoint down there, isn't it? On usually it's on main.cpp. Am I not right? Kernel.cpp or something. Yeah, maybe in kernel.cpp, but now we don't have kernel.cpp, so we should not find it. So there's only the checkpoint file. So apparently checkpoints are repeated in both in checkpoints and kernel.cpp. Maybe one is for proof of work and the other one is from proof of stake. Let's see what the hell have we saved here. So this is checkpoint. Yeah, so this is checkpoints were updated for Nova coin, and this should be Nova here. Nice. DNS seed, IRC, and so on. Yeah. What more do we have here? Yeah, I'm probably going to add these two files together, and I can say something like wait a minute. What would you exit? Yeah, I mean, I'm not sure if this is useful. So this is DNS seed and IRC settings. Change. Not sure what to do with this, if I'm being honest. Okay. Don't we have more stuff here? Yeah, okay. So let's add all of these files here. Let's check what the hell is here. Let's compare them. I might be able to understand what we are doing here. The script host type. What the hell? Makefile.unix host type. And finally, wait a minute. What's the last one? What the hell is this? Makefile.unix. why would you do more stuff on the other one if it's not needed? So yeah, this is also specific. This is about make files, use script, use script and pbkdf2 libraries. So this is added here. But you ask about this one. This was not here before. So now, yeah, that's right. So we can write here. Also, our coin also introduces, which might be something that you need in order to work with the script. I'm not sure. We have already saved this, isn't it? That's right. So now we've got this makefile.unix, which does more stuff here. Yeah, okay. If you want to look at that, yeah, apparently this is built into object files for 86 and 64, and then we don't know how, but he managed to work all of this. Yeah, so probably we want to add this, and that's it. No way. Yeah, we want to add this, then say that this is makefile.unix, what it's about, and that's it. I do not want to work with anything of this. Okay, so what more do we have around here? net.cpp, IRC. This is once again the same thing, disabled with PeerCoin. This is changed here. Yeah, lots of stuff that it's been changed here. Yeah, let's add this manually because I think it's useful to have it. So this is specific because this we don't care. This is another one that it's used here. Yeah, this is about having this. Yeah, this is the same thing. So what you do here is basically is if I'm not mistaken, what you do here is that you turn on IRC connections again. I'm not sure it's a good idea, but that's what they do here. And here we have the seed. Yeah, we have a commit for that. So change seed. This is Nova. Nice. Protocol.cpp. What the hell is this? PeerCoin. Oh, wait a moment. PeerCoin must be a Bitcoin fork. You know what I mean. So if you had exactly the same, if you had some money on Bitcoin back in the day when PeerCoin was created, then you've got some stuff. So here we have the public testnet with old and new. Okay, and this is the newest one, which is, yeah, start PeerCoin, start Bitcoin, and this is when you switch. So probably PeerCoin was one of these forks. Yeah, okay. And this is, what's the reason? Yeah, and this is, as you can see here, there's a lot of, yeah, this is change src protocol.cpp. This should be something like do not fork from Bitcoin anymore, as PeerCoin did. Yeah, I mean, not sure about that. So not sure about this one. Okay. What more do we have around here? So protocol.h probably should be in the same place. No, it's not. So this is change of ports. Oh, okay, that's why I didn't find out, because this is on capital letters. So this is about changing the port. This is number 2. Nice. Let me see how this works. Bitcoin QRC. Oh, look at that. There's only one here, which could be done properly. Bitcoin QRC. So if we split this, I can have this here. I can quit, and I can say something about replace coin name number 3. Okay, so now Bitcoin QRC. Yeah. So this is interesting. So toolbar, it's no longer the toolbar but NovaCoin 16. So are we losing toolbar.png, or is it just something that, so srcqt res icons. Do we have toolbar? Yes, we have toolbar. Why would you do that? This does not make sense. Yeah, so this is a specific. This is not a doubt. This is a remove. So use specific image instead of the toolbar. A specific NovaCoin image instead of the toolbar PNG. That's nonsense, but you know. then I guess that this is just remove all the translations, but apparently, yeah, this is also specific from these people. Remove all of the translations but the Russian and English ones, although I'm not sure this is a translation, but I would take a look at Bitcoin EN. Yeah, okay, I'm not sure if this is translation or whatever it is. Okay, so Bitcoin strings. Yeah, okay. This is on a space, if you ask me. So this should be spaces. So this is fork Nova. Nice. Bitcoin units. Yeah, probably we can add this and search for more stuff related to this. So what we want to have here is everything that it's related to changing the ticker. Where the hell is this? Well, so maybe there's nothing useful related to this. That's why I am unable to find it. Let me see. Bitcoin units. Yeah, okay, so this is ticker. So this is PPC to NBC. Yeah, that's right. That's fork Nova. Okay. Now we should be able to work with all of this. So let me check. Let me check here. What more can we check on the other files? Okay, these are messages. Which, oh, look at that. Here's Nova Coin. About Bitcoin translation. Oh, Bitcoin. Okay, this is not a zero but a translation. So this should be on the translation side of things, if you ask me. So let me fix this stuff. So this should be on the translation side of things. So this one and this one, nothing else, should be here. Okay, so now Nova might mean new in Russian, isn't it? That's why it's called Nova coin, because that's new. Is this something that we can work on? Translate new, which is English, into Russian. Where the hell is Russian? Nova. New, fresh. I'm not sure this is the right thing. Novi. Okay. Nova, Novi, Novi. I cannot hear this. Yeah, okay. Doesn't matter. And this is a coin name replacement. It's number 4. We don't care too much about this. Okay, what more do we have down here? Maybe I should go directly to message page UI, send coins entry. Yeah. Okay, what about these two ones here? They are quite interesting. So, yeah. Yeah, so we should just add them. Then it's something about, you know, this should be this should be something specific that we can remove, which is new address example. Yeah, okay. So we are left with some stuff here. What about src util.h? What the hell is this? I do not know at all. Yeah, probably this is used somewhere else, which we don't know about. That's why you use it. No, you do not use it. Probably this is not used. You need it. Because what more are we... What more is... Okay, this tab here, which we have not here yet. Probably, yeah, this is used there with these files. I'm not sure about this, but anyway. So this is specific, and this is a doubt, and this is src util.h update fork Nova. Okay, what more do we have here? So we have these two comparisons here, which are a bit mad. Yeah, so yeah, the one here is the one about the new address, which we already had here. New address example. That's it. Okay. Bitcoin URTS. So So this is Russian translations samples. So call Bitcoin. So this should be yeah. So this is specific. We don't need it, and this should be Russian translations. Russian translations were improved. Okay. So I'm going to restore these two files because I want to copy the other ones. Later on we will work with these ones. So here, if we refresh, we have these two files. We have this, the README, Nova Coin, so on. So now we should be able to have this copy. So Nova Coin. How the hell is Nova Coin? So Nova Coin, I guess that it's Nova Coin is hybrid. So proof of work should be a script, if I'm not mistaken. And whatever had PeerCoin is whatever he will use as a proof of stake. Okay, so if I'm not mistaken, wait a minute, yeah, so hit act. So what we have here is, oh my god, why they have taken all of these files from window. Oh look, this is not C, this is, yeah, I mean these are macros for stuff, so you are mining a lot. What the hell are all of this stuff? This is script. Oh, okay, yes, these are assembly language. That's right. So this should be specific. This is, yeah, we can say that this is doubt. And this is script. A script and PV. Sure, what's specific libraries for mining. Okay, we already knew that this was going to happen. Okay, so now we should copy main.cpp and main.h and see what the hell do we have here. We should think about adding some stuff here. So do we have something? Yeah, okay, so we have this PeerCoin, Nova Coin stuff, and then yeah, then you've got the special stuff here, script my.h. Probably script.h has whatever it's needed for doing the staking, but you know, I'm not sure about that. Has Genesis block official. Yeah, okay, so we can have here Genesis, which is a main.h. We can start with that. So SRT Genesis. How the hell is this? Main.h. Okay, so not this one, not this one. We want this one. Now we should be able to say something. Wait a minute. I thought I had something, but I have not. Okay, not this one, not this one. And I want this one, but split, please. Now that's right. This is what I want to have as a commit. And so this should be Genesis with Folk Nova. Nice. Not sure. Okay, Merkle root is changed here in main.cpp. Yeah, so Merkle root should be able to. So we want to patch this, and we can go specific commit, which should say something about Merkle root, isn't it? Well, I am not able to see it. So let's search it manually. See if we can find Merkle root somewhere. Here there is some one. Okay, yeah. Let's split this. Not this. Merkle root. Okay, so now we should be able to have this Folk Nova with the Merkle root. That's nice. Okay. I have seen something about the message here, and probably there is another message. Yeah, so here there is a message. Maybe we can manage to find out which one it is. Yeah. Okay, yeah, the number 7, I think. Yeah, that's right. So now we should be able to use coin name Folk Nova. Nice. What about main.h? Is there anything that it's useful to take a look at? So we have these spaces here, which version 1, version 2. What the hell is this? Okay, here you are. These are the functions that we were missing. They are there. We didn't copy this. Okay, let me see if there is some spaces here. No. So we can add spaces from src main.h so that we can remove them. This one here. Oh my god, I cannot split this, but this is not the right thing to have here. Okay. Yeah, probably what we want to do is how the hell is this? So we want to we want this one thing here. We want to have we want to make the commit, which is spaces. Okay, so let's do this properly. So this is the commit about the spaces. Now I am not um, I don't care about this. Okay, now what I'm going to do is, wait a minute, no, that's not it. It's the is main.h, the one. So I don't care about this one. And so if I take a look here, this is found on 87. So I want to remove these 3 sterns and see what happens. So main.h 87. Yeah. 1, 2, 3. Okay. So now I have them there. And if I manage to add this here, I should be able to do one thing like this. And now maybe I have managed, yeah. Yeah, this is not what I was expecting to do. This is not right. I wanted to have the spaces there. So let me copy this again. Hopefully this is better than before. Let's see if I manage to do this. So copy to the right. Okay. And what do you want to do here? So let's add spaces here or something. I'm not sure. Yeah, I want these spaces. That's right. So now well, now I should be able to do this, and I'm back to how I was before, isn't it? So now we have the same problem as before, but now I know that what I want to do is to get rid. Yeah, I want to get rid of these lines, this F to generate. Yeah, so let's go get rid of this. Although I think, yeah, so we need to restore this, and that means that, yeah, so if we restore this, we are on the right place. Let me see. F generate bitcoins. F generate bitcoins. Yeah, just remove these 3 lines, and we should see which we should be fine. Yeah. Okay. So now, if we amend this, we should be good. Look at that. That's right. Spaces, it's only about spaces. Okay, so let's refresh this and copy these 2 files again to the right, so that we can add their big changes here. Yeah, okay, so these are minimum changes that we can find here and there. Okay. Checkpoint, checkpoint. Scan hash. What the hell is this? Scan hash. Oh, look at that. Scan hash crypto PP. This is this is removed from here. Yeah, so this is interesting. So let's remove, let's make sure that we wait a minute, not this one, not this one. So this is a specific so it's no longer used scan hash crypto pp. So maybe it only uses script and not crypto pp, whatever that is. Crypto plus plus SHA 256. So instead of the function being related to SHA 256, it's called crypto pp. Okay, maybe it's a PeerCoin. Yeah, so what about all of this? Script something. Yeah, this is the same thing. Do not use crypto, use the other one. Probably there's something more, but let's see. So not this one, not this one. Okay, what the hell is this? Well, let's split this. Yeah, so we want this one. Now we quit, and the last commit is about this exact same thing, so we can have both of them in the same commit so that it's easier to understand. So many of the changes that are interesting probably are here in this PeerCoin to Nova Coin jump. Yeah, so after all, maybe making a jump from PeerCoin to Magicoin was the right decision, but you know, you wouldn't know everything that you know now. Script buffer free scratch bath. Yeah, and okay, so now let's add small changes around here. Later on we will see if we add something more. So this is small change, even if it's there's the static stuff. Yeah, let's add this. This is not a minor change because there's something that it's not the same thing here. Not this. Yes, this one's here. What the hell is this? We want this one, but not this one. Although this is, let's say that this is a minor change. Yeah. What about this? Yeah, not sure if this is worth it. False, false, -1. Not this one. not this one, not this one. Okay, so what about src main.h? Do we have something which is minor change? Not this, not this, not this. Okay, so now we have minor changes here. Not everything is perfect, but you know. So we can search here minor changes. This is Bitcoin Nova. Okay, so now we should have more stuff which we probably want to save, and as well this is something specific, and so main.cpp, I think that we have. Okay, so that specific major changes here. And this is Folk Nova. Okay, these are the rest of the changes here. Now there should not be any change. Okay, let's see what happens with readme.md. Oh my god, look at that. readme.md. This is coin, yeah, coin name. This is number 5. So yeah, now we should rename this as Nova Coin. So look at that, Bitcoin, Bitcoin, this is Nova Coin. So this should have something about renaming this. Here you are. So this is Nova Coin, which is renamed from Bitcoin. So this is Nova. Nice. Now we should be able to copy this to the right and find something. Yeah, okay, look at that. This is modified so that you can build all of this thanks to, yeah, but first of all we need to have this Nova Coin stuff. Okay, so not this, not this one. Oh, look at that. This is where everything makes no sense. So they make this Pro stuff, which by default uses Windows only stuff. So what you want to build on Windows, instead of having a proper command, you can just use make for building stuff. No, you should have a Windows flag, because everything else does not use MSSE2. Okay, okay, let me see. We are searching for just replacements, so this one here, not this one. Wait a minute, I have forgotten about one here. It's the one about Mac. So go to Mac. Yeah, number 8. We split this and we want this one, not this one. So now there should not be anything about renaming. However, if you check what's going to go here, you can see how, yeah, coin name 6. Okay, so what more do we have here? So this is an update for, yeah, so we have some windows, windows being modified, and then adding stuff. Yeah, let me see. Let's do one thing. Let's add this is not a coin. Let's add as one commit stuff related to this thing here, not the other stuff. So this is like this. So this should be .pro. And this is as doubt as specific. So this is Nova coin. And this is about an older commit which says something about script and okay, so that means that here what you have to say, even if it's twice, we have these libraries. So these are windows. Yeah, okay, whatever. Windows improvements. Nice. Okay, so yeah, I think we are done, but let's compare here, see if it's properly done. Okay, so now we should be able to go here and push everything. Oh, wait a minute, we need to check if the commits start with Fork Nova, every one of them. Yeah, you are. Fork Nova. And that's it, Fork Nova is done. So I am wondering, if you take PeerCoin and you remove their own, so if you take PeerCoin and you remove whatever they use related to staking, it's not the same thing as using Bitcoin. Probably not, because there's something we are missing here. Okay, so yeah, so let's push this. So we are here and we should be pushing this PeerCoin Nova coin. Is this the right thing to do? Yes, I think so. So now we have the right branch here. So if we go here, we should see PeerCoin Nova coin, which is the one we are interested in. We can use it, we can add it with the description so that we can use this. Okay, so we are done. Nice. So next video is about Xsecure Xcoin, to Magic Coin to be redone properly, because it was not done so properly when it was done. So what we have here is okay, so video description has this PeerCoin of a coin. Yeah, probably we want to work on Bitcoin, isn't it? Because we want to learn what the hell makes special to PeerCoin. Hopefully from there we can learn what staking is about. Yeah, so PeerCoin. So yeah, so this is Bitcoin. So next video is Bitcoin to PeerCoin. Yeah, look at that. But this is Bitcoin from 2012, or maybe from before that. We don't know. Okay. Let me have here whatever it is. This is the one here. Okay, so yeah, so thank you very much for watching this video.